Okay, first question. Is Hawaii's real estate market on the brink of collapse in 2025? I think all doomsdayers have been saying for the past few years that the market is on the brink of collapse. I don't think that's going to be any different. I think anything big like an election year is going to have people saying the market is going to collapse. I just don't see it. I see Hawaii being a very insulated market. Rates are what the rates are. You know, we have people buying when it's 3%. We had people buying, we bought when it was 14%. Now we're cruising in the 6s and 7s, and I just don't see a collapse happening. I still see a lot of people with equity, a lot of equity in their homes from the COVID bubble. Enough time has passed since the COVID bubble low rates to have buyers coming into the market with the rate being the way it is and not feeling shocked and not feeling like they don't want to be in the market. I think enough time has passed from those extremely low rates that I don't think we'll ever see again in our lifetime. Maybe, I don't know, barring anything crazy. If your money is right, your family is right, your occupation, your job, your employment is right, I still think that it's smart to purchase real estate. I don't see a collapse happening. I think if you have enough staying power to hold on to your real estate for long enough, especially in a market like Hawaii, you'll be totally fine. Now, do I see prices skyrocketing and then inflation happening soon? I don't know. That might be a maybe as well. Some people are saying that that might be a thing. Maybe I want to buy right now. Maybe it's not a collapse. Maybe it's another little bubble happening. I can't predict the future. I have no idea. But what I can say is it's never a bad idea to buy real estate, and especially not in Hawaii if you have the means to and you have the time to hang on to that guy. So do I see the collapse happening? I do not. But what do I know? We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to one question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, one question is not going to cut it, you can't put a one question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these one questions a day, description box below.